Welcome to day 1 of our tutorial on building a wallpaper app using Kotlin and Firebase. Today we will set up our project and implement a splash screen. So this is an empty project. I will give you the starter project link in the video description. So from there you can download and import in the Android Studio. Once you import, you are ready to go. Okay. So this is the starter project. I will give you a quickly overview that this is the dependency you need to add this dependency if you are starting with your own empty project. Okay, this is the main activity and I will start this in the emulator so that you can see how empty activity looks like. So see, this is the empty activity because in main activity I have added the text main activity. That's why it is appearing like this. So without wasting further time, we will start our splash screen implementation. So for that we need to add empty activity. I will give the name as a splash activity. Come to the activity splash. I will change the layout to relative and under that I will adding the image view. Width should be 100 dp and height should be 100 dp, and under this I will give the background to wallpaper. Okay, gravity should be center and parent should be true so that our image should align in the center, and I will give the background color to dark blue. Okay, now I will add text here, match, wrap, tagline. Okay, align parent bottom, align parent bottom to true so that our text should align in the bottom itself. Okay, you can see from here. Now we could see the text is in black, that is not visible properly, so I will give the text color to white. Okay, and align this in the center, so I will give the gravity. Okay, now our splash screen design is ready, but I need to give bottom margin to 15 dp so that our text should appear below 15 dp to up. Okay, now coming to the splash activity, just remove this unnecessary code. Okay, we have not required this code. So this handler looper.get main looper.post delete, this logic will runs a delete task after 2 seconds, that is 2000 millisecond. This delay lets the splash screen display before opening main activity. So inside this you can see start activity intent, this main activity class Java. It launches main activity and finish closes splash activity, so the user can't return to it by pressing the back button. Okay, so coming to the manifest file here, we need to make main activity to splash and splash activity to main, and this is appear as a main, the first one, so we need to give the theme to no action bar. Okay, now if we run the code, let's see, in the emulator we can see. Okay, cool, our splash screen is ready. So that's all about for today's session. See you in the next video.